today's episode, you'll hear a real-life phone conversation between Lisa and a customer service agent named Alex. Lisa is calling to solve an issue with her online order. You'll learn how to make polite requests, explain a problem clearly, ask for updates, and show appreciation in English. Let's listen in.
Hello, thank you for calling SwiftCart customer service. This is Alex speaking. How can I assist you today?
Hi, Alex. My name is Lisa Morgan. I placed an order 2 weeks ago, but I haven't received it yet. I'd like to check the status, please.
I'm sorry to hear that, Lisa. I'd be happy to look into it. May I have your order number, please?
Sure, it's 274569A.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check the system. All right, I see your order here. It was shipped on the 3rd of June. According to our system, it's currently marked as in transit.
Yes, I saw that on the website too, but the status hasn't changed in over a week. That's why I'm concerned.
I understand. Let me contact the courier company and get a real-time update for you.
Brief pause.
Thanks for holding. I've just spoken with the courier. They said there was a delay due to weather, but it should be delivered within the next 2 business days.
Oh, I see. I was getting worried because it's a gift, and I need it before the weekend.
Totally understandable. I'll add a priority flag on your delivery to make sure it's handled faster. Also, I've just emailed you a direct tracking link.
That's great, thank you. One more thing, if it doesn't arrive on time, can I return it or cancel it?
Yes, if it's not delivered within 3 business days, you're eligible for a full refund or cancellation. Just call us back or email, and we'll process it immediately.
That sounds fair. Thanks for the clear explanation, Alex.
You're most welcome, Elisa. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all for now. You've been very helpful.
I'm glad I could help. Have a great day, and I hope your package arrives very soon.
Thank you so much. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Great job listening. Now you've learned how to politely ask for support, express concern, and confirm policies over the phone. These everyday phrases will help you feel more confident when talking to any customer service agent in English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations like this one. Comment below. What topic should we cover next? See you in the next video. Keep learning. Keep improving.